Chit Chat English.
If it's not yours, don't take it.
If it's not right, don't do it.
If it's not true, don't say it.
If you don't know, be quiet.
Believe before you pray.
Listen before you speak.
Earn before you spend.
Think before you write.
Try before you quit.
Live before you die.
Stay private.
Not everyone needs to know your life.
Work hard.
Even when no one is watching.
Dress well.
It shows respect for yourself.
Eat healthy.
Your body needs good fuel.
Talk less.
Because silence helps you understand more.
Do more.
Actions are louder than words.
Live life.
Don't only survive, enjoy moments.
Be kind.
Kindness costs nothing.
Stay humble.
Pride pushes people away.
Avoid drama.
Peace is more important than winning.
Chase goals.
Not people's opinions.
Hit the gym.
A strong body helps the mind.
Smell good.
Clean habits build confidence.
Make money.
Freedom needs responsibility.
Level up your circle.
Good people help you grow.
Pray more.
Not only when life is hard.
Think positive.
Your mind believes what you feed it.
Put God first.
Everything else finds its place.
Read books.
Books teach without noise.
Drink water.
Simple habits protect health.
Save money.
Future you will thank you.
Stop living the same.
Growth needs change.
Find your purpose.
Life feels lighter with meaning.
Forgive your past.
You can't move forward holding pain.
Focus on your present.
This moment is real.
Fuel your future.
Today's choices matter.
Let it go.
Some things are not yours to carry.
Ignore them.
Not every voice deserves attention.
Give it time.
Good things grow slowly.
Don't compare.
Everyone walks a different path.
Stay calm.
Calm minds see clearly.
It's on you.
Your life is your responsibility.
Always smile.
It softens hard days.
Respect yourself.
Others follow your example.
Protect your peace.
Peace is priceless.
Choose silence over noise.
Noise confuses the mind.
Build good habits.
Small actions shape life.
Wake up early.
Quiet mornings bring clarity.
Sleep on time.
Rest is power.
Keep promises.
Trust starts with words.
Be disciplined.
Motivation comes and goes.
Stay consistent.
Little steps every day.
Learn every day.
Knowledge grows slowly.
Ask good questions.
Questions open doors.
Listen carefully.
Listening is respect.
Speak kindly.
Words stay long.
Control emotions.
Feelings are not commands.
Breathe before you react.
Pause changes everything.
Choose growth over comfort.
Comfort keeps you small.
Do hard things.
Strength comes from effort.
Finish what you start.
Completion builds confidence.
Stay patient.
Rushing breaks progress.
Trust the process.
Every step counts.
Accept mistakes.
Mistakes teach.
Learn from failure.
Failure is a lesson.
Stand alone if needed.
Integrity matters.
Value your time.
Time never returns.
Use time wisely.
Every minute matters.
Create more.
Creation builds purpose.
Consume less.
Too much distracts.
Stay focused.
Focus brings results.
Remove distractions.
Attention is energy.
Say no more often.
Protect your limits.
Protect your energy.
Energy is life.
Help others quietly.
True help needs no praise.
Give without showing off.
Real giving is silent.
Stay grateful.
Gratitude brings peace,
Count blessings.
not problems.
Respect parents.
They are your roots.
Honor your roots.
Know where you come from.
Improve skills.
Skills build freedom.
Invest in yourself.
You are your best project,
Build confidence.
not ego.
Stay real.
Truth feels lighter,
Stay clean.
inside and outside.
Stay sharp.
A clear mind wins.
Move your body.
Movement heals stress.
Feed your mind.
Good thoughts matter.
Guard your heart.
Not everyone deserves access.
Choose faith over fear.
Fear lies.
Trust God's timing.
Delays are not denials.
Walk your own path.
Comparison steals joy,
Be proud of progress.
not perfection.
Stay hungry.
For growth,
Stay humble.
always.
Keep going.
Even when tired,
Your future is watching you.
don't disappoint it.
Be honest.
Truth builds trust.
Be brave.
Fear fades with action.
Be thankful.
Contentment brings calm.
Respect boundaries.
Yours and others.
Protect your values.
They guide choices.
Choose quality friends.
Not many friends.
Leave toxic places.
Peace first.
Walk away peacefully.
Not every fight is yours.
Don't explain yourself. Results will speak.
Plan your days. Plans reduce stress.
Write goals. Written goals feel real.
Read them daily. Reminders matter.
Visualize success. The mind prepares first.
Act with purpose. Move intentionally.
Stay committed. Quitting is easy.
No excuses. Excuses stop growth.
No shortcuts. Shortcuts cut results.
Earn respect. Don't ask for it.
Choose discipline over motivation. Discipline stays.
Show up daily, even tired.
Mind over mood. Feelings change.
Character over image. Who you are matters.
Action over words. Do first.
Consistency over talent. Talent fades without effort.
Purpose over popularity. Likes don't last.
Legacy over likes. Impact stays.
Finish strong. End with pride.
Protect your name. Your name is your reputation.
It's your brand. People remember how you act.
Be on time. Time shows respect.
Be reliable. Do what you promise.
Be useful. Help where you can.
Add value. Make things better.
Solve problems. Don't complain.
Not complaints. Complaints change nothing.
Choose discipline. Discipline builds freedom.
Over motivation. Motivation is temporary.
Even alone, growth is often lonely.
Stay strong. Hard days pass.
Progress over pleasure. Comfort delays success.
Faith over fear. Fear limits life.
Keep your word. Your word is power.
Stay alert. Life changes fast.
Stay aware. Notice people and signs.
Energy matters. Protect yours.
Protect your dreams. Not everyone understands them.
Not everyone supports them. And that's okay.
Move in silence. Grow quietly.
Respect money. Money needs control.
Success tests character. Stay real.
Hard times build it. Pain teaches strength.
Control desires. Desires can rule you.
Train your mind. Just like the body.
Avoid negativity. Negativity spreads fast.
Avoid excuses. Excuses stop growth.
Choose responsibility. It's your life.
Think long term. Short thinking limits life.
Act wisely. Every action counts.
Speak with intention. Words matter.
Silence is strength, not weakness.
Calm is power. Anger steals control.
Patience wins, always.
Trust learning. Knowledge beats luck.
Create your chances. Don't wait.
Never stop improving. Growth has no end.
1% daily. That's enough.